How to sign in or sign up on Zoom app. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do to sign in or sign up on Zoom app, when you first created the account, then you can see this a page. But if you are logged out of account, you can also see this press page. But if you are new and you want to create your account, then you have to click on the sign up under the join a meeting, and here you can click on the month or day and year, and here you can choose this, and you can also type the year, uh, type the day, type the month that you want, and then you can also type the year of your birth date, and then you can type it anything that you want, and then click on the set, and then you can choose your email, first name, last name, and then click on the sign up, and you can simply sign up with your account. So firstly, you have to fill in your email, first name, last name, and then you can see the button of sign up in the bottom, and then you can click on the sign up button and you can register for your account. So, and this is the first process, that how you can sign up on the Zoom app. But if you want to sign in your account, then you can click on the sign in, and if you set up the email password and email address and password, then you can fill in the email address and password, and then you can sign in to your account. And if you forget the password, you can also click on the forget password. But if you want to sign in with the Google or sign in with Facebook, so you can also tap it. Let's see, I go to the sign in with Google, click on the sign in with Google, and here you come to this page. Here you can choose any of the account to continue to Zoom, and then it will, and here you can see it will ask you to, if you want to launch Zoom. It means if you want to sign in into your account. So if you want to sign in with the Google app, then you can Google account, then you can click on the launch Zoom, and now it is connecting, and you can sign in into your account. So that's basically it, that how you can sign in to sign in or sign up on the Zoom app. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate that.